guys to my YouTube channel #Sweet Caroline, and from Manila I am going to take you to a tour to Pine SUITES Tagaytay, and this is the location with my good friend Anita from Taiwan. So here we are at Crown Asia's Pine SUITES Tagaytay, and anyway, this is September 23 when the Taal volcano spewed some volcanic ash. So there we are walking towards the different towers where you can rent either a studio type or a 2-bedroom apartment. Let's explore. It's a Danish theme with lots of pine trees around. Very relaxing. That's the view of the poolside. There we go. A foggy, drizzling morning, and my friend is so shy at first. Anyway, we are walking towards the basement parking, and by the way, we had this booked at booking.com, so they emailed us right away the parking slot and the room number 216. Let's see. There you go. The first room is a big room, and there is a second room. Anyway, we are 3 persons in this apartment. Okay, but this can accommodate 6 persons. So let's see. Ayan, you can see the balcony with a view of the pool and the pine trees. See, it's like you're in Baguio as well. Very relaxing, very quiet, away from the noise from the highways of Tagaytay. See, oh, there's a dresser. Ayan ang living room and the toilet and bath, as well as complete utensils, kitchen utensils with plates, and you can bring your own food as well. So that's a small living room there with a TV and internet. And we brought in some mangosteen, longan, and banana. There you go. My friend Anita is explaining the different kinds of mooncake. The mooncake she brought for us as her present. So yummy. Lots of nuts. See. Very cozy place. So because of our excitement, we had our photos taken at the balcony. So there you go.
I will succeed. I will succeed.
Likely.
Like 2 years later. Let me.
So let's go outside, and here I'm showing you the hallway. So ayan, there are different units up there na pwedeng rentahan. And down there is the lounge at the lobby. So pwede kayong kumain or magkwentuhan. Anyway, this is the other tower that we explored. Ayan. So we're just looking around, and the pool, nakita namin yung pool. It's not that big, but you pay 150 pesos for the pool. So there you go, guys. And diba ang sarap mag-swimming. And for your info, accessible ang place na ito sa Balay Dako. So this is where we had lunch, but hindi visible si Taal volcano, but we enjoyed the place. It was foggy and drizzling with rain. So there we were able to entertain our friend here, and she enjoyed the place so much. She enjoyed the food, of course, and it's her first time to taste Filipino food. So see, she's now enjoying the pork sisig. And the next day, we went over to Ying's place. So we had breakfast there. So it's so magical kasi nagpakita ang Taal volcano. So was really mesmerized that we were able to capture this moment it's her first time to see the volcano.
It's filming, I think. Yeah, it's part of it. I'm just showing them. So how do you recommend your stay here? This is my friend Anita. How do you recommend your stay?
Amazing place. Must stay here when you are. Okay.
Yeah, it's Pine Suites
Promise. You have my
Tagaytay.
word.
So that's it, guys. We highly recommend Pine Suites Tagaytay. No hassles when it comes to booking. Just go to booking.com and then you get your final schedule. They email you a guide, so no hassles, no problem. You can relax here. It's very quiet, it's very cozy, and it's peaceful. Okay, so with my friend Anita here, please like and subscribe my channel. #Sweet Caroline. See you next time.